Good morning, students. In last video, we had discussed about functions and formulas in MS Excel. In this video, we are going to discuss about presenting data in charts. You have learned that a spreadsheet software such as Excel allow us to maintain a lot of data in tabular form, and we can perform calculations on the data sets using formula and functions. When you look at the data set, sometimes it is not easy to understand it. A spreadsheet software helps us generate a graphical view of the data in the dataset. This has two major benefits. We can easily understand the data values. We can analyze the data easily for further planning. Consider a small data set and its graphical view. It's shown in next. What quick conclusion do you derive from this graphical view? Look closely at it. Sonal and Jasmeet are most regular students. Amit and Faizan are almost regular. Anup attended almost half of the classes conducted. Anu attended below 50% of the classes conducted. Whose studies are likely to be affected? You can surely figure out. What we did just now is called analysis. This is a very small data set, but in real life, there are huge data sets like a list of 200 students. Then graphical view helps us a lot in understanding the data. Let's see what is a chart or graph. A chart or graph is a graphical form of data. With a chart, the data can be presented in pictorial or graphical form in different ways. Data values are represented by graph with combination of lines, vertical or horizontal rectangles, there's a column and bars, and points and other shapes. A modern spreadsheet software provides a good library of different type of colorful charts. The look and type of the chart can be changed after making it. Generally, charts are plotted against the x-axis, that's a horizontal, and y-axis, that's a vertical. X-axis is used to show items such as names, cities, month names, etc. And y-axis shows the data values called data series. In the previous example, name of the students are on x-axis and their number of days they are present or absent are on y-axis. Excel provides a huge library of charts variety which we can pick and use. Let us see some commonly used chart types. First one, column and bar charts. These charts are used to compare several items for a range of values. For example, a student and their number of days present in a classroom, population of the states in a country, marks of the students in a test, price of various items, etc. In this chart, we can easily analyze that which student is most regular and which is not. In the chart, it shows the student names with their number of days they are present or absent. So we can easily compare for these students. And this is a y-axis, that's known as data series. This is the x-axis, here shows the names of the students. The next chart is line chart. Line chart is used to show change of trend over the time. For example, pass percentage of school in past 5 years, your performance in past various classes, expenses in a household in past months. The given line chart shows that in 2019, school has improved a little from 93 to 96% and yet to improve to achieve 98%. The next one, area chart. Area chart compares the magnitude and impact of items over a time duration. For example, in this chart, it is clear that Amit and Jasmeet are good at both in academics and sports, while Anup is not good in sports, Sonal is more inclined towards studies. The next one, XY chart. It is also known as scatter chart. This chart combines X and Y values and shows them correlated for each item. For example, in the chart shown here, first students academic and sports both are 84. Hence only one data point is there. Students 1, 5 and 6 are good in both academic as well as sports. The next one, pie chart. Pie chart can show only one series of data. Values are shown as a slice of a pie or pizza. It is useful to show percentage or parts of a whole. For example, percentage performances, contributions, collection, share, distribution, etc. In the chart shown here, the percentage contribution of the whole collection is highest by class 12. Now let's see component of a chart. Here one chart is shown here. The components of a chart is first one, chart area. The chart area contains all the parts of the chart. X-axis or category axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. It shows the names. Y-axis or value axis is the vertical axis of a chart. It shows the values or data series. Axis title or label or title in a axis, X-axis or Y-axis. As shown here, number of days they are present and student name. The plot area is the area on which values are plotted. Data series are the graphic that represent data in various forms like bar, column, line, pie, area, etc. The region identifies the pattern or colors that are assigned to the data series or categories in the chart. Chart title is the title of the chart. So these are the various components of a chart. So that's all for today. Thank you.